2018 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on this beautiful blue beast. Factory converter. Ugh, I hate 3 converters. Flex pipe and 2.5. Then we put a FLOWMASTER original 4E series part number 43043. Be a link in the description for it. Then we added a little sleeve to make it fit compared to the old muffler. Then we took the resonator out, put a 2.5 inch in its place. And then we put a 4-inch angle cut tip to complete the look right there. And there's the muffler we took off. There's the flap. You always want to take this flap off or it will rattle. My mind stopped for a second. And there's the resonator we took off right there. We tried it without the resonator, it was way too quiet. So we decided to take that off too. So there's the muffler and resonator. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. FLOWMASTER 40 series. There's sound decibels. Again. One more. That's right at 96. So when under load, they'll probably be like 100, 105. So I don't think it'll drone too much or anything. You'll hear it, but not to the point where it's obnoxious, you know? That's what you exactly wanted. Perfect. Z71 LTZ. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Silverado 40 series and resonator delete and 4-inch tip single. Oh yeah, little beast mode, look at that, beast mode. Enjoy, guys.